as promised, we are here with some Star Wars. We have 10 cubes, right? 2 rows, 5 cubes each. What's it going to be? Hey, do you want to do the same thing, bud, right? Where if we manage to pull something we don't have, we'll keep going?
Yes.
They're only grails and ultra grails, so the odds are not great, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, with that, let's move this. What's it going to be? Pick a cube, any cube. Up, down.
2.
Yeah. Row 2.
Cube 5.
All right, let's see. Daddy's going to open this one. And it's been a while since I've seen this unboxing experience.
It was really good. Wait.
What?
Was that one like teleportation thing the same as Mickey?
No.
Oh.
Bit different. Here we go. Dun-da-da. Come on, baby! A common Leia. Yep, of course we have that because we have all of the commons. So, all right, let's take a look. How's that cereal looking? Okay, nothing fancy, all around. So, adding to the collection. All right.
Pretty good.
We'll see what's what tomorrow.